एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन बिना प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स की अधूरी है, क्योंकि यहाँ से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चन या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपरों में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो अपनी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन को 100% करने के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स करना हो जाता है बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी स्ट्रीम और सभी सेमेस्टर के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर आप कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी तैयारी हो सके कंप्लीट। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एमएड सेकंड सेमेस्टर का पेपर, थर्ड करिकुलम स्टडीज। ये पेपर हुआ है ईयर 2024 में। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होती है, तो इसे लाइक जरूर करें प्लीज। डू लाइक द वीडियो। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। इस वीडियो में अगर किसी क्वेश्चन या ऑप्शन में आपको डाउट आता है तो उसे प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में डेफिनेटली मेंशन करें, ताकि जो भी करेक्शंस हो उन्हें हम कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन कर देंगे सभी के लिए। शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, which of the following is related to children's interests, values and attitudes? Answer is option number C, affective domain. Question number 2, which of the following is not a characteristic of the cognitive domain? Answer is option number C, naturalization. Question number 3, how many scales of measurement are there? Answer is option number C, 4. Question number 4, which of the following is the lowest scale measurement level? Answer is option number A, nominal scale. Question number 5, action research is related to? Answer is option number B, immediate problems. Question number 6, which of the following is not a virtual laboratory? Answer is option number A, Swayam. Question number 7, which of the following is called mini culture? Answer is option number B, classroom. Question number 8, major concern of curriculum is change in individuals' behavior. Question number 9, component of curriculum is? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 10, curriculum reflects the culture of? Answer is option number D, society. Question number 11, effectiveness of curriculum is determined by? Answer is option number D, evaluation. Question number 12, psychomotor domain deals with which of the following? Answer is option number B, practical skills. Question number 13, the curriculum development process is sensitive to? Answer is option number A, time and place. Question number 14, the National Curriculum Framework 2009 for teacher education in India was developed by? Answer is option number C, NCTE. Question number 15, the curriculum was created on the basis of which of the following in the contemporary model? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 16, which of the following is not a curriculum model? Answer is option number C, intervention model. Question number 17, the important components of implementing curriculum are? Answer is option B, comprehensiveness, accuracy and depth. Question number 18, curriculum includes? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 19, Tyler model is? Answer is option number C, A and B both. Question number 20, instructions and curriculum must be adjusted? Answer is option B, as per the need of students. Question number 21, curriculum changes? The answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 22, psychological foundation is based on? Answer is option number C, mental intelligence. Question number 23, the curriculum decision is affected by? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 24, the curriculum is based on the ideas of John Dewey? Answer is option number A, learner-centered curriculum. Question number 25, curriculum is? Answer is option number D, all activities of school. Question number 26, syllabus is a part of? Answer is option number A, curriculum. Question number 27, the concept of curriculum development involves? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 28, curriculum is used in education? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 29, who defined curriculum should be conceived as an epitome of the rounded whole of knowledge and experience of the human race? Answer is option number A, Votel. Question number 30, curriculum process, who wrote this book? Answer is option number B, D.K. Wheeler. Question number 31, the curriculum is designed on the basis of ideals, ideas and external values? Answer is option number A, idealism. Question number 32, the principles of curriculum construction are? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 33, which of the following is the basis of curriculum? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 34, who developed the congruence contingency model of curriculum? Answer is option number C, Robert Stake. Question number 35, the responsibility of implementation of teacher education curriculum is? Answer is option number D, teacher education institutions. Question number 36, the humanistic curriculum model is propounded by? Answer is option number A, Abraham Maslow. Question number 37, balanced curriculum is also famous by this name? Answer is option number A, integrated curriculum. Question number 38, which of the following factors does not affect the change in curriculum? Answer is option number C, religious affiliation. Question number 39, experience oriented curriculum is offered? Answer is option number C, John Dewey. Question number 40, life situation model is mainly based on whose article? Is question का आंसर exact answer I don't know. The most appropriate answer that we found out was Abraham Maslow, but if you know the correct exact answer, please do mention it in the comment section. Question number 41. Which of the following statement does not relate to the core curriculum model? Answer is option number A. It does not require specially trained teachers. Question number 42. Which curriculum model is least democratic in practice? Answer is option number A. Administrative model. Question number 43. Which of the following countries is the leader in the field of distance education course at the higher education level? Answer is option number C. America. Question number 44. What type of curriculum is pragmatism? Answer is option number C. Problem based. Question number 45. What kind of life does naturalism consider as true? Answer is option number B. True physical life. Question number 46. According to Vedanta philosophy, where does knowledge lie? Answer is option number C. In the soul. Question number 47. What kind of development of children is achieved with the objective of core curriculum? Answer is option number C. A and B both. Question number 48. What are the important elements of education? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 49. What should be the basis of curriculum content? Answer is option number A. Current informations. Question number 50. The traditional model of curriculum developed by. Answer is option number A. 1949. Question number 51. On what is the contemporary model of curriculum based? Answer is option number A. Option number A. Students. Question number 52. Who propagated the CIBP model? Answer is option number C. Daniel Stufflebeam. Question number 53. Curriculum transaction is also known as. Answer is option number C. Curriculum instruction. Question number 54. An effective curriculum is based on which of the following principles? Answer is option number C. A and B both. Question number 55. Philosophical foundation of the curriculum is concerned with. Answer is option number A. Ideas. Question number 56. Curriculum construction in Indian education is mostly influenced by. Answer is option number D. Constitutional provisions. Question number 57. An effectiveness of curriculum is determined by. Answer is option number B. Evaluation. Question number 58. The stages of curriculum development does not include. Answer is option number D. Improvement and progress. Question number 59. The CIPP model C represents. Answer is option number B. Context. Question number 60. Who are the sources of traditional curriculum? Answer is option number C. A and B both. Question number 61. Which of the following will be more benefited by diversified curriculum? Answer is option number A. Tribal girls. Question number 62. Who is mainly responsible for curriculum transaction? Answer is option number B. Teacher. Question number 63. Who defined curriculum evaluation in 1979? Answer is option number C. Henry Morrison. Question number 64. By what other name is Tyler model known? Answer is option number C. Objective centered. Question number 65. When was Kirkpatrick model developed? If you know the exact answer, please mention it in comment section. Question number 66. Which evaluation result is more accurate? Please mention the answer in the comment section. Question number 67. In which report curriculum has been defined? Answer is option number C. NCERT. Question number 68. Curriculum research does not involve. Answer is option number D. None of the above. Question number 69. The most important part of curriculum changes. Answer is option number C. Implementing. Question number 70. Systematic approach of curriculum is also known as. Answer is option number B. Bottom up approach. Question number 71. Which is not an approach of curriculum change? Answer is option number C. Traditional. इसका अगर all of the above. If you know the exact answer, please do mention it in comment section. The most appropriate answer that was found out was C. Option number C. Traditional. Question number 72. Curriculum research involves. Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 73. Who makes decision in grassroots model of curriculum development? Answer is option number A. Community. Question number 74. What type of activities are included in the curriculum? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 75. How many pillars are there in each subject? Again, if you know the answer, mention it in comment section. Question number 76. What type of curriculum is pragmatism? Answer is option number A. Based on experience. Question number 77. What kind of life do naturalists consider true? Answer is option number B. Physical life. Question number 78. What are the main principles of curriculum development? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 79. The correct sequence of steps in curriculum processes. Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 80. Measurement is complete. Answer is option number A. Objective. Question number 81. The main purpose of curriculum development is. Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 82. Curriculum editing is related to. Answer is option number A. From curriculum management. Question number 83. Curriculum management dimension is enunciated. Answer is option number B. I.K. Davies. Question number 84. The stages of Mukhopadhyay curriculum development are. Answer is option number A. 2 stages. Question number 85. Types of cognitive objectives are. Answer is option number C. 6. Question number 86. The curriculum is related to. Answer is option number B. From what? Question number 87. The steps of curriculum development is. The most appropriate answer that was found is option number B. 4. Question number 88. The basis elements of curriculum development is answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 89. Mode of curriculum experience made the curriculum experience centric. Answer is option number A, pragmatism. Question number 90. Whose contribution is the lecture method? Answer is option number C, idealism. Question number 91. Who developed the question answer method? Answer is option number B, Socrates. Question number 92. The main dimension of philosophy is answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 93. NCF stands for answer is option number C, National Curriculum Framework. Question number 94. Who was the chairperson of NCFT 2009? Answer is option number B, CL Anand. Question number 95. Scope of curriculum at secondary level is answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 96. Which type of curriculum is based on Gandhiji's basic education principle? Answer is option B, craft-centered curriculum. Question number 97. How can local bodies contribute to the school curriculum? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 98. According to NCF 2005, the role of teacher is answer is option number C, facilitator. Question number 99. What is the correct sequence of steps of action research? Answer is option number A, problem identification, hypothesis making, conclusion from data. Question number 100. Who first coined the term action research? Answer is option number B, Professor Fuller and Stefan M. Corey. तो ये था पेपर आपका पेपर ऑफ करिकुलम स्टडीज। आई होप ये वीडियो आपकी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगी। मेक श्योर कि आप इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें। प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियोस एंड शेयर इट विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स। और अगर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में कोई भी क्वेश्चन या डाउट है तो किसी कमेंट सेक्शन में डेफिनेटली मेंशन करें। जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे उन्हें हम पिन कर देंगे फॉर एवरीवन। And once again, thank you so much for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and keep supporting ताकि हम इसी तरीके से और भी पेपर्स लाते हैं। Thank you so much, guys.